So it's question number 10 part B, and we are given a number of 200 students, students who were selected to participate in football, volleyball, swimming and netball, these sport games, right? And we are now asked to find now from this presentation, the presentation of the pie chart, we have to find how many students participated in football, volleyball, swimming and netball. But before going further, we just have to find the degrees of the volleyball. Now the degrees of the volleyball is going to be obtained after you have summed 144, 72 and 54, then take the 360 minus the degrees here, which is this plus this is 270, and we are going to remain with 90 degrees. So this is just 90 degrees and represented by a right angle there. So now we say that students who participated in football. So we are studying football will be equal to the degrees, which is 144 over the total number of degrees of the whole pie chart with the cycle, so 360. Then multiply it by 200, which is the number of students, 200 students. So this is going to be the 0 and 0 cancels out. By 2 it is 18, and by 2 it is 10. By 2 it is 9, and here by 2 it is 5. So take 5 times 144, and we are going to obtain, it is 20. That's 0. We carry 2. This and this is going to be 22. 2 carry 2 again. 5, and that it is 7. So this is 720 over 9. 720 over 9, so this is by 9 1, by 9 it is 8. So the number is going to be 80 students. That's for football. We go for volleyball. Volleyball, as usual, it is the degrees of the volleyball over the total degrees. The degrees of the volleyball, it is 90, represented by a right angle. So it is 90 degrees over 360 degrees times the total number of students, which is 200. 200 students. So here by 90 it is 1, and by 90 it is 4, right? And by 4 it is 1, and here by 4 it is going to be 50. So here right away we're going to have 50 students for volleyball. We're going for swimming now. Swimming, students who were selected for swimming. It is the degrees of swimming, which is 54 degrees over 360 degrees times the total number of students, which is 200 students. So this 0 and 0 cancels out. By 2 it is 18, by 2 it is 10, by 2 it is 9, and by 2 it is 5. Now multiply here 5 by 54, and you are going to obtain 20, carry the 2, 25, 27. By 9 1, and by 9 it is 3. So it is 30 students. 30 students. Those were for swimming. Allow me to wrap up here so that you can find the last one, which is for netball, and that is 72 degrees. For netball was 72 degrees. So finishing up for netball students will be 72 degrees over 360 degrees times the total number of students, which is 200 students, and this is by 2. Remember the 0 and 0 cancels out, and by 2 10, by 2 18. By 2, 5, and by 2 it is 9. Now multiply 5 by 72, and it's going to be 10, carry 1, 35, 36. And by 9, 1, by 9, 4. So this is going to be 40 students. 40 students for netball. So we have for football 80 students, for volleyball 50 students, for swimming 30 students, and for netball 40 students. Now, if we want to know if our answer is correct, take 40. So I'm going to add 40, add up with 80, add up with 50, and add up with 30. See if this is going to give us 200. Now this plus this is 80, plus 80 is 160, and plus 40 is 200. So we have the 200 students, and so these answers are all correct, and that's how to prove them, and that's all about it.